Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look as an update for JASMY. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.03156. Starting off on the weekly time frame, we can see JASMY is dangerously close around our 38% of our Fibonacci level at 0.0322, which is acting as a severe support here. Now, for the past 2 weeks, you've seen really good recovery around the 38%. So week 3, we're retesting this area. If the price does fail to maintain this 38% as a support, we could see possible drops in further retesting of lower supports. Now, as we're observing this candlestick that we're currently at, it does almost look like a bearish engulfing candlestick. And again, the theory of possibly retesting further lows could actually be in play. The 20 moving average here remains at a critical support zone, while the RSI is at 49%. It still indicates some neutral momentum, and in the lower time frames, what you're going to see is some smaller bodied candlesticks. And basically when that occurs, it's showing us that the bulls and the bears are very indecisive right now. So we're not really seeing a whole lot of, dominancy in terms of the bulls versus the bears. So it's kind of like 50-50 here. I feel like with JASMY, if we're taking a look at the charts, it's all emotional based. I think people are jumping ship right now because we're seeing a lot of price action when it comes to JASMY. I mean, if JASMY's bullish, JASMY gets really, really bullish. But whenever we see huge sell-offs, and that's kind of where JASMY crashes the most. But again, it could be opportunities for people that are really invested in JASMY. Quickly taking a look again at our, sometimes I overtly talk, but taking a look at some of our indicators, when we take a look at the RSI here, we could see a possible crossover indicating again, strong bearish trends. The MACD indicator here, we see these histograms, these bars are getting smaller. So again, kind of validates that the bears are coming in, the bulls are kind of sitting it out. A possible test on the resistance line. So if we're taking a look at some bullish key levels to watch, 0.037 at the 50% is going to be a key area of resistance. Very ambitious. If we do see a huge uptick in volume followed by very, very big green candlestick showing us the surge of the bulls, we could possibly come up to this level, strong level around 0.042 or that 4 cents that we saw on that double bottom chart pattern. Supporting levels here again around the 38%. We do need ideally to close above this. I ideally want it to come up around this level here, just so we don't get this bearish candlestick formation. And then possibly price can come down to the 20 moving average around 0.025 as a secondary area of support. Quickly taking a look on the daily time frame here, again we're seeing JASMY under bearish pressure. I know someone mentioned on the channel comments, I think it was yesterday, that it's just bearish every single time that you guys look at it, but quickly taking a look on the daily time frame, we do see the price again coming below the 20 moving average, also the 50 moving average. So we can see that the bears have complete control in this lower level here, and price is consolidating around 0.03, closely aligning our 23% of our Fibonacci level. So there are possible areas of support. It just kind of depends on your indicators. If we do see some buying momentum in the daily time frame, for me, it's still kind of bearish momentum. We see the RSI dropped 35%. Again, it could drop even deeper. MACD indicator here still continues to show some reflective bearish momentum. So if you guys are going into JASMY, just be very, very cautious here. Always double check. Now, again, if we're taking a look at support, if we do lose 0.0311, we could again come down to 0.028. Possible uptrends here, possible uptrends to watch. If the price does retest around our 20 moving average, it could possibly come up to the 50 moving average as a secondary resistance line. Heading over to immediate short term for 4 hours, gotta always add those resistance because you just don't know. 4 hours here highlights again this consolidation range. We're seeing price kind of moving sideways. I feel like the buyers and the sellers are kind of antsy right now. That's why we're going to amp up for a breakout again, either an uptrend or that downtrend. We do see again consolidating between 0.0311 around and the 0.0336. So these prices, they are struggling to break above our moving averages. So this does signal that short-term bearish control, what we saw in the 4 hours in the daily time frame. Again, I have opinions on the weekly time frame. The RSI at 41% does suggest some weak momentum, while the MACD indicator here, it still remains flat. And again, further showing that indecision in that marketplace. A break above 0.33 could possibly push the price around that 0.036, but a break below that key area, guys, I keep repeating this number, is 0.0311. That's very, very crucial. Could possibly open the door for retest of the 0.02801. But let me know what you guys think as a final thoughts here for JASMY, for consolidation, for all of the time frames here. Especially watch out for that weekly time frame. We do have approximately like 1 or 2 more days to kind of see how we do close out for our price outlook and our price action in the next week to come. But let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.